Hello everyone, myself Monica and I'm a legal internet Lexis and company. In my previous video I discussed about the judicial system of Canada and court system of Canada. Now we will further proceed to the appointment and regulation of judges. Judges in Canada are appointed and not selected. Judges of the Supreme Court of Canada, the federal courts, the appellate courts and the superior level courts are appointed by Governor in Council by the Governor General on the advice of the federal cabinet. As judicial independence is seen by Canadian law to be essential to a functioning democracy, the regulating of Canadian judges require involvement of the judges themselves. The Canadian Judicial Council, made up of the Chief Justices and Associate Chief Justices of the federal courts and of each province and territory, receive complaints from the public concerning questionable behavior from the members of the bench. Salaries of superior courts are set by Parliament. Since the provincial judges reference, provincial court salaries are recommended by independent commissions, and similar body called the Judicial Compensation and Benefit Commission was established in 1999 for federally appointed judges. Tenure of judges and removal from the bench. Judges in position that are under federal control are eligible to serve on the bench until age of 75 years. In some cases, but not all, provincial and territorial position appointed judges may have the tenure until the age of 70 years instead. As the removal of the bench, judges have only rarely been removed from the bench of Canada. For federally appointed judges, it is the task of the Canadian Judicial Council to investigate complaints and allegations of misconduct on the part of the federally appointed judges. The council may recommend to the Minister of Justice that the judge may be removed. To do so, the minister must in turn get the approval of both House of the Commons and the Senate before a judge can be removed from the office. So with that, I would like to conclude my topic, and I hope it is clear to you all. And if you guys are having any query, you can ask me in the comments. Thank you.